Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and we're going to continue on with the Young Salvation Mini Journal. And I've just got some little bits and pieces and things to go over and work out, so come along with me and let's see what we can do to move this thing forward. Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I'm working on this Young Salvation Journal again today. And I wanted to show you kind of, I've done some things and I need to catch you up with what I'm thinking on this. My junior or my mini journals are meant to be one signature, but this is going to be a fat, it's going to be a fat journal. And so I decided to go ahead and make it into 2 signatures. And it may even be 3 by the time I get done, but we'll see. So I went ahead and split it up into, what I think will be the 2 signatures. This is pretty fat, this thing we made, the Salvation Folio. So it's going to be on one, and then the 4 pocket folio that we just made, I'm going to put in this one. And let me get it real quick. So let's just say, oh, okay, here's something else I did. So I also added this page. I had this paper that's from the Illustrated Faith. So I made an extra page because I thought it was really cute. So anyway, so then I added this piece of paper from the same paper kit, the Illustrated Faith. And I decided, instead of just gluing it down flat, to turn it into a pocket. So there's a pocket. And so that's an extra page. And in the middle, I put this one because I thought that was a nice scene to have be a continuous scene. There's some of them that doesn't matter, like this one, it doesn't really matter. That one doesn't matter. That one doesn't really matter. So I put that one in the middle. And so I need to pick a page, and honestly, these look the same, so I think I'm going to glue it on one of those. I think I might as well go ahead and do that. And I just keep looking through all my stash of fabrics and so on and so forth. And, I showed you a video here a while back of my Happy Mail that my sister Pat sent me, and just so happened that it has the perfect fabric, I think, for the cover for this journal. So it's like, well, thank you, Lord. That was just perfect timing. Now you want to make sure you get it right side up. So I'm just looking inside to make sure where the pockets are, because there is an upside down on that. Let me find my page again. And you want to always glue this stuff to the edge, as close to the edge as you can get it, because it's fat and it will interfere with the where it's bound. So you don't want to shove it down in the fold, because then when you bind it, it's just going to be all bound up. So I pulled it out to the edge. See what I'm saying? Okay, so there's that. And then I was just going to show you a couple other things that I had pulled out. I found this, which is kind of a reddish purple. So I was going to use that as either a belly band somewhere, or even just sew it to the edge. That would look good on that page as just an edge treatment. So, and then I had this big rickrack, so I cut a couple pieces of that because I thought that I would use it as an edge on one, and then I also thought, well, it'd be a great belly band, so I might just have both. I don't know, we'll see. So that'd be a cute belly band to stitch on there. And then I also wanted to show you, so I cut the fabric for the cover out of the fabric that my sister sent me, and this is it. And it's frayed on 3 sides, but it's got the oh, good grief, my mind's going blank, you know, the finished edge that fabric has on this end. And I could have cut it off and frayed it, but I decided to just leave it. And so that's going to be the leading edge, like when you open the journal. And then I cut a piece of felt. And then I had this other fabric that is kind of geometric and looks like it could go with this, but it's very plain, it's gray. But I feel like there's so much going on with this journal that you kind of need, your eyes need a little bit of a rest. And so I think that's going to work out fine. So they don't line up perfectly, but I kind of don't care. I think it's fine to let them be a little wonky. If you've seen any of my journals, you know that's true. I want to make sure that hangs out. I want to make sure the wonkiness is even though. So anyway, so that's my cover idea. That's as far as I got with that. And I also went through all the tags and different pieces, and I used my distress inks to just touch the edges, you know, because normally we use like vintage photo to make them look old, but I don't want to do that on these. And so I just want to add color, and it really boosts the color up to hit the edges of this. So these are all, and I touched, like here I went with an aqua, here I went with like an orange. So I just kind of followed the lead of whatever the artwork was. So that's those pieces. So let's see. I could go ahead and, so I have this file that's these purple feathers, and I wanted to turn it into a tag, but I don't want to cover the feathers up. So I was looking at these stickers I had from this Illustrated Faith, and I think I could just stick this in the middle. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. As always, I'm leaving more at the top because I'm going to turn it into a tag. So let's see if either of these is the right width, and I'll just use it as a, no, not quite. So what I'm going to do is just cut the angle. I'll just flip it over. Looks like I got it a little bit tall, so I think I'll just chop this top off. Just a little bit. So now I'm going to take my hole punch, and this is really one of my favorite things to do. I don't know why, but I love those stickers. I'm going to punch the holes. And I need to paint some because I don't think I have any of the colors I need. The Avery labels, like you get at Walmart. And then I take distress ink and turn them into whatever color I need. Oh, maybe I have it. You want a contrasting color so it shows up. Let's see if I have any. Oh, that would work on that. Okay. Let's see. And then on this one, I'm going to put this olive green because it's a good contrast. And do I have any pink, sort of? I think this probably works. And this one, kind of want the blue, but I don't really have that exact blue. So let me see what I have. The Mermaid Lagoon. Let me see if I can. Get a sheet. And those would work fine. But I'm going to, it's like on some things I don't care about, and other things I get kind of crazy on. And so I want the color to be right. So I'm going to take the Chipped Sapphire, which is a really dark blue. And I may regret this, but I'm going to try, see what it looks like if I just barely hit it. Because this is a little more to the purple side of the blue, kind of like that. See if any of these look like they match. Okay, yep, all right. Now that's aqua up around the edges because I used aqua. And I think I might need to go back and hit it with the sapphire. Okay, bear with me. Oh, whoops. Okay. Whoops. Whoa, easy there. Okay. All right. That makes me feel better. Okay. So I've got those tags ready to go. I just need to find ribbons and things to put in them. Okay, so I'm going to take this bakery twine that I got from Hobby Lobby, and let's see, I think the lavender goes with at least 2 of them. I think I'm just going to put it in one because I think I'm going to use actually, I'll pull out my Hug Snug, whatever it's called. See what I have. I have some purples. Let me see which one. Probably, I don't have that, so I might use the baker's twine on that one and then use that one for this one. Okay, so there's that one. And I'll put the bakery twine in this one. And I'm going to knot this at the end. Okay, so they got those 2. And then this one, let's see, I got quite a few pinks, so surely I can find that color, or That has a little bit more personality. Okay. And then the blue. I don't know if I have quite a few. Let's see. I'm gonna go with a, no, that's too dark. Hang on. Sorry. I don't like that. No. Yep, that one. That is my choice. Okay. All right, let's see. Uh-oh, did I not pin my... Oh, there it is. Okay, I just threw them down on the table and walked away, didn't I? All right. All right, so put that back. Put this back. Cut this. Okay. All right. Got the ribbons on them and they're ready to go. All right. Well, I think that's it for this time. So thanks for watching. If you hung in there till the end. If you like the video, click like, please. And if you think about it, subscribe if you'd like to. I would love for you to subscribe. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.